Gentlemen, listen closely. Every guy wants his girlfriend to feel loved, appreciated, and special. But here's the thing most men never understand. It's not always the expensive vacations, the luxury gifts, or the grand gestures that leave the deepest mark on her heart. It's the small, thoughtful actions, the variety moments that make her stop, smile, and think, wow, he really sees him. Welcome to Dark Psychology. I'm Amelia, and today I'm giving you 19 sweet psychologic back things you can do for your girlfriend that will not only mock her day, they'll make her remember you in the best possible way. And here's the twist. While these tips may seem simple, science of attraction tells you they are powerful because they hit her emotional brain, the part that remembers feelings far longer than facts. So, let's start. 1. Cook her something. Want to prove cook her something you care? Show her you listen, maybe even flex a little skill in the kitchen. Cooking her a meal does all three instantly, and I'm not just talking about fancy candlelit dinners. It could be a spontaneous breakfast in bed, a fun weekend lunch, or even a plate of warm hummed cookies left on the counter one. She's had a rough day. Why does this work so well? Because food is Tito, comfort and nurturing. When you prepare something just for her, you're speaking the silent language of care, a language her subconscious will never Pro tip, make it something she's mentioned craving before. That attention to detail will earn you serious points. For 2, call or text her spontaneously. In a world where everyone's glued to their phone, a quick thinking about you text might seem small, but emotionally it's huge. Here's the key. It's not about sending a basic hey. It's about catching her off guard in the middle of her day to remind her that she's on your mind. Send her a short, genuine message, maybe referencing an inside joke you share, or recalling something sweet from your last date. That little buzz in her pocket, it's a microdose of connection and it can completely shift her mood. 4th day. Do some of her chores. Number 3, do some of her chores. This one's subtle but incredibly powerful. It's not glamorous, but when you handle something she's been putting off, dishes, laundry, vacuuming, you're telling her, your time matters to me. And here's the psychological bonus. Acts of service are one of the 5 love. If that's hers, even a load of laundry could make her feel more loved than a bouquet of roses. 4. Go back to the basics. Take her on a date. Obvious, yes. Overlooked all of time. Many guys stop dating their girlfriends after a few months together, and that's where the magic fades. Plan a date that shows you've been maybe a cozy dinner, an MOV, a fancy night out, or a spontaneous day trip to somewhere she's mentioned wanting to visit. It's not about the money. It's about showing her that you still choose her over and over again. Comment when you notice. Comment when you notice. Shikanja something. This one's all about attention to detail. Don't just compliment her randomly. Make your compliment specific. If she's styled her hair differently, bought a new dress, or ordered a different lipstick shade, let her know you noticed. Why does this matter? Because it tells her you're not just looking at her. You're truly seeing her. Pro tip. Be sincere. A forced or generic compliment will do more harm than good. Number 6. Give her a real compliment. Yes, she loves hearing that she looks beautiful, but if that's the only comment she gets from you, it starts to feel like you only notice there's a real compliment digs deeper. But maybe she just nailed a big project at work. Maybe she gave you incredibly this when you needed it. Maybe she's just the kind of person who lights up every room she walks into. When you point out these qualities, or to her, I admire who you are, not just how you look. And that is rare. Rare equals valuable and she remember it. Brag about her. 7. Brag about her. You can take compliments one step further by talking her up in front of other people. This works on a deep level. Beckos, you're giving her public validation, a powerful social signal that says, I'm proud of her. She's mine. She might be humble about her talents, but hearing you brag about her intelligence, creativity, or can light her up in a way private tepries can't always match. Just Makajer, it's genuine. Forced bragging feels fake, and she senses it instantly. Write her a letter. The marker 8. Write her a letter. A handwritten letter might seem old-fashioned, and that's exactly why it works. Think about it. In a world of instant messaging, the effort to sit down, put pen to paper, and write out your feelings is an act of devotion. She can hold it, reread it, and keep it forever. That physical reminder of your words carries weight far beyond a text. Pro tip. Don't just write, I love you. Tell her why you love her. The specifics will make her melt. Flirt with her in public. Here's a truth most guys forget. Flirting is not just for the early days. When you playfully tease her, whisper something in her ear, or give her that misk of a smile in public, you're telling her, I still see you the way I did when we first met. It keeps the spark alive, and it makes her feel desired in front of the world. And trust me, women notice when a man keeps that energy alive months or years into a relationship. It separates you from thapake. Number 10. Dance with her. Iters dance with her simple, sweet, and incredibly intimate. You don't need a dance floor, slow song, or even perfect moves. Just take her hand in the kitchen, the living room, or even the grocery store. Iceline, pull her in close. It says, without words I want to be close to you right now, for no reason at all except that I love you. Bonus tip. If she's telling send her job opportunities about her stressful day, this little leaked can flip her entire mood and under Note 11. Send her job opportunities. If you've ever searched for a job, you know it can feel draining and so, if she's looking for a new role or aiming for a promotion, show her you're in her corner by sending job postings that fit her skills and dreams. This does two powerful things. It shows you understand her abilities and ambitions. It proves you care about her future as much as she does. It's not just sweet. It's supportive on a level most women rarely experience from apart. Think of the thing you don't want to do. 12. Think of the thing you don't want to do and suggest doing it. Here's where earn serious points. Every guy has one thing his girlfriend has wanted to do, but he's quietly avoided. Maybe it's swing dancing, dressing up for a costume party, or sitting through a theater play. The moment you're the Oneto suggest it, without her begging, you'll flip the script. You're showing her their happiness is more important than your comfort zone, and that gentleman is a power move in love. 13. Make her coffee ahead of a long day. Some mornings are chaos. She's rushing, hair half done, juggling her bag, keys, and phone. Coffee is the last thing on her mind. But when she walks into the kitchen and finds a fresh cup waiting, it's more than caffeine. It's air. I'm thinking about you, even when you're not thinking about yourself. And with every sip, she tastes the care you poured into it. Surprise her with something sweet. 14. Surprise her with something sweet in the fridge. After a tough day, think about this. She's had a long, exhausting day. She comes home, opens the fridge, and there it is. Her favorite cupcake, slice of tiramisu, or pint of ice cream. It's small, but theming makes it huge. You're not just feeding her sweet tooth. You're lifting her mood in the moment she needs it most. Surprise her with something that you remember. 15. Surprise her with something that you'll remember. She likes most. Guys forget the little things their girlfriends mention in passing. Maybe she admired something in Ash Up window weeks ago, but didn't buy it. Maybe she'll casually mention wanting to try a new cafe or see a certain movie. When you act on those small clues, you're proving you truly listen, and in her eyes, that's one of the most romantic gestures a man can make. Ch 16. If there's a show you both like, don't watch it without her. This one might sound trivial until you do it. Think about it. She's looking forward to that show all week, picturing you two curl it up together, reacting to the same twists on Cliff. If you watch it with her, you're not just skipping a shared activity, you're cutting out a small ritual that bonds you. When you wait, you're saying, I value our team at a faker more than instant gratification, and that's more romantic than it sounds. 17. Treat her like a princess. Treat her like a princess. Don't let the phrase fool you. This isn't about being over the top every second. It's about sprinkling little mints of chivalry into her day, opening the door for her, carrying her bag when it's heavy, surprising her with flowers for no reason at all. These small gestures tap into something deeply emotional. They make her feel protected, valued, and cherished. And when Donna only, they never go out of style. Shake up the routine. Routine can be comforting until it starts to feel stale. If you sense the spark dimming a little, inject some novelty into your time together. Call in sick from work to spend the day together. Take her somewhere she's never been. Turn a regular lunch into an extended laughter-filled escape. Novelty reactives excitement in the brain. It's the same chemistry that made you really days together. So electric. And you can bring it back anytime you choose. Pick up something for her. 19. When you go to the store, pick up something for her. It's so simple, Boutique says so much. You're out shopping and you see something she needs or something she loves. You pick it up without her asking. Maybe it's her favorite snack, the shampoo she uses, or if you're feeling bold, that bigger item she's eyeing for months. It's not the price tag that matters. It's the thought she sees it, as proof that is always on your mind, even in the middle of your daily errands. And there you have it. 19 incredibly sweet psychological ways to make your girlfriend's day and deepen your bond without spending a fortune or making a grand gesture. Remember, it's not a boutoni big romantic moment. It's about consistent, thoughtful actions that show her you care day in and day out.